Welcome to my channel Phi Concepts CHM. This is the third part of the silicon controlled rectifier series. Here we will study about SCR as a half wave rectifier and SCR as full wave rectifier. SCR as a rectifier. A rectifier converts AC input into DC output. Rectification done with the help of separate controlled electrode called gate. This is an additional terminal present in an SCR. So this which is an advantage over the diode rectifiers. By applying trigger pulse at a suitable phase of the AC input, output can be controlled. Hence it is called as a controlled rectifier. First we will see SCR as half wave rectifier. AC supply to be rectified is applied to the SCR through the transformer. So this is the AC supply applied to the transformer. Load resistance connected in series with anode. This is the load resistance connected to the anode. Small r is a variable resistance connected in series with the gate to control the gate current. Working. During the negative half cycles of AC voltage appearing across the secondary, SCR does not conduct regardless of the gate voltage. Hence there is a gap here because this is a negative half cycle. The SCR does not conduct because the anode is negative with respect to the cathode and the peak reverse voltage is less than the VRV rating of the SCR. During the positive half cycle, the SCR conducts provided gate current is made to flow. Larger gate current, lesser supply voltage at which SCR is turned on. Gate current changed by varying R. If the gate current is adjusted such that the SCR conducts at a positive voltage V1. So this is positive voltage V1. Beyond this it continues to conduct till the AC voltage becomes 0. At this point, which is indicated by T by 2, SCR is turned off. Again at the start of the next positive half cycle, the SCR starts conducting. When AC secondary voltage becomes V1 at time T plus T1. This is time T plus T1. At time T1, this is at time T1, SCR is fired for the first time. Corresponding angle which we denote as alpha is called as a firing angle. It remains on from T1 to T by 2. T1 to T by 2. Hence the conduction angle phi can be given as 180 degrees minus alpha. Ordinary half wave rectifier will conduct full positive half cycle. SCR half wave rectifier can be made to conduct full or part of a positive half cycle by proper adjustment of gate current. Hence, SCR can control power fed to the load and hence is called as controlled rectifier. SCR as a full wave rectifier. The center tap transformer is used. Two SCRs are there, SCR1 and SCR2. Their gates get their supply from the two gate voltages. One SCR conducts during the positive half cycle, SCR1, and the other SCR, SCR2, conducts during negative half cycle. Hence, a full wave rectified output is obtained across the load. Conduction angle can be changed by adjusting the gate current. Suppose the gate currents are so adjusted that SCRs conduct as AC voltage becomes V1. During positive half cycle of AC, the upper end of the secondary is positive lower end is negative. SCR1 will then conduct when the AC voltage becomes V1 at time T1. Voltage is developed across RL. During negative half cycle of AC, upper end of the secondary is negative and lower end is positive. SCR2 will conduct when AC voltage becomes V1 at time T2. Current through RL is in the same direction. Voltage is developed across RL, which is shown by the shaded portion. Alpha is called as a firing angle. Conduction angle phi is equal to 180 degrees minus alpha. By adjusting the gate current, we can change phi and hence the output voltage. Thank you for watching this video.